Life is the bubbles. Yes, life is the bubbles. And we are getting ready to show you guys our Art of Animation Little Mermaid standard view 2-queen bed room here at the Art of Animation. So let's show you around this room today. All right, so as soon as you walk in the door, you'll see this table with a mirror, and the table is themed for the Little Mermaid. It has the song sheets for Under the Sea. Look at that. Under the sea, life is the bubbles. Very cool. All right, so then you have your mirror. Hi, everyone. This also has a very nice flat screen TV. You also have a coat rack over here. This is your dresser. So on here is going to have 2 standard plugs, 2 USBs, and on this side, again, 2 standard plugs, 2 USBs. It has your Cuisinart coffee maker, which you'll see, you can pull that out, and then you put your draw freeze coffee in there. You got your creamers, your teas, your cups to go. Very nice drawers. These are pretty deep as well. Check the hand check, very good. And you do get 3 of those, 1, 2, 3. And then behind this set of 3 actually is 1 unit, and it has your drink cooler, pretty deep back in there. So that goes there, okay. Turn the wheel around and you'll see the 2 queen beds, which has Flounder and Sebastian above. Now these do not have USBs over on the bed side. You just have your lights, switches, so you can individually turn those on or off. We do have the Hey Disney going on here. Very nice. Right in the room. Storage there. Pull out storage for your nightstand with the Bible. And then you do have under the bed storage as well for suitcases. Bringing you guys up, you have this nice picture of Prince Eric and Scuttle on the boat. Coming around, hey everyone, you're gonna have your bathroom. This does have a nice coat closet area to hang up your things, extra pillow and blanket, your safe, an iron and ironing board, luggage rack, nice sink, has a hair dryer. On the side door going into the bath area, you have a full-length mirror to get ready in the morning. There's also a makeup mirror. Hello. All right. Hand towel, Disney bath soap for your hands, tissues, wallet, sunglasses not included. All right. Then we turn around and this is into the bathroom area. So this is where you have the toilet, you got your towels hanging, Ariel as the shower curtain, not a glass door. And then behind her is the shower. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's her little grotto. And this does have a tub, rainfall shower head, and then all of your soaps. Okay, now one thing I didn't show you out here, let's go this way. So this does have a curtain that you can pull. So if someone is getting ready in the morning, you can pull that and get ready behind the curtain. Overall, it's a nice room, great for a value resort. This is, again, over at the Art of Animation. They have 4 different floors. There are 3 different Little Mermaid buildings. This room in particular is located nearest to the Skyliner station. We actually are on the 1st floor. And if you look outside our window, you'll see the Skyliner right there in Hourglass Lake. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick room tour of, again, the Little Mermaid room here at Art of Animation, Disney's Art of Animation Resort. If you guys are looking to book a Walt Disney World package or Disney World stay, we would love to assist. We're the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures. You can scan this QR code here to find out more about us and contact us, or you can visit thecarpentersmagicaladventures.com, hit book an adventure, and that'll take you straight to our quote form. We would love to hear from you and see how we can make your stay more magical at the most magical place on earth, Walt Disney World. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.